and make rainbow cake. So we have some colors that we're gonna use to color the cake. So now we're gonna start to color. This is purple.
How cool.
Now we're gonna have purple. It's one of my favorite color. Oh, you cannot take so much because then it gets very dark.
I really finished.
Wow, this
I
one
think you take so much, my dear.
Yes, I don't know so.
This look okay, yes. Okay.
It's okay. It's not something to talk about.
Asta kan ju smaka.
Okay, I'm gonna let this little bit.
Efter min shampoo. See det.
Red like blood.
Wow, blue color.
Blue color. Hulu. Whee! Yellow. Okay, now we're gonna mix. Wow, see how yellow it gets. Whee! I think I need more. Come out. Looking good already. See, it gets yellow like the sun. But now we'll go to next color. Now we have yellow. Yellow glowing down.
Yellow is gliding down.
Okay. I'm just so serious sometimes because sometimes I don't know to your film. Okay, the next color is purple. This is the darkest color we have. Maybe it was because I think so much. Okay, but you have to be like that when we make it because you cannot make a new one.
Yes. It's we ska take it over now and we ska take it
In 5 or 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. And this is the finish. We ska take it and squeeze it and eat it. And now
I want.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, see, rainbow cake. Very good. Sure, rainbow. Next time, you're gonna look this video and see how you make rainbow cake. And click on subscribe if you like it. Bye!